Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel guys, and today I'll show you how to replace your front lower side control arms, how to remove them right and fast. Of course, this the most important is right and fast and safe. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I'm going to do with everything, and I'm gonna just remove everything and show you exactly what I did so you guys can do the same thing in your own garage, home, in front of your house. It doesn't need much. You can do with two jack stands. You need a jack and some tools and you're gonna be good to go. All right guys, so here is the new control arm. I installed it, but I'll show you how to replace the front right control arm, and the same procedure is going to be on the left side. So you gotta take this bolt out right here. So for these two bolts right here, you gotta take the front right lower mount. It looks like that. You gotta take 317 nuts out, and then you got a 19 on top. But before taking this out, you gotta lift up the engine. So I got a piece of wood, so don't put too much pressure on the aluminum wheel pan. You got a stand right here, you push it up, you got this up, and then you can definitely take this out easily, unscrew them. And then you got a ball joint here. I replaced the ball joint too. This is easy, you don't have to take the the axle out. You just unscrew here bolt and two nuts, and then here you can use just a wrench to take this nut out to push down the ball joint. And here we go. Or before you lift up the engine, you gotta unscrew this bolt on this lower rear side mount. I definitely didn't even pay attention to it, and I tried to lift it up the engine before that, and it wouldn't work. So you definitely have to take that out too. You don't have to take it, like remove it from there, just to remove one bolt so you can definitely lift up the engine easily. All right guys, so this is your last thing that you have to remove to replace your right control arm. So this is upper right engine mount. It has to be definitely removed all the way to take that thing out. Once you attached all the bolts and they are properly fit in, and you got the ball joint back normal, you got all the bolts properly installed, then you can go ahead and tie up everything. Tie up this one, and then this two has to be tied up definitely before you installing the mount back. So make sure your axle doesn't pop out, because you're gonna take the whole suspension out. Sometimes it pops out and it doesn't is not installed properly. Make sure that is going on too. This is it. We got the mount back. What I have to do is you gotta push it inside back to normal. It's the same side on the same procedure on the left side. You got the same exactly control arm. Only this part is you gotta take the lower left side transmission mount out. It's the same 3 nuts lower side, and you definitely have to take this off too, because you have these 2 bolts on front side of the control arm that's holding. Why you have to take the mount out is because you have the bolt covered by the mount, so there's no way removing the control arm without taking the mount out. All right guys, so we got our lower control arm installed. Everything is fine and cool. Everything was installed right. We got the engine upper control engine upper mount installed too. So this is it. Our Toyota is ready to go. All right fellas, that was it. That was mechanic mode. This car is ready to go. If you are first time here, then don't forget to subscribe below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, and see you next time.